Are you tired of feeling out of shape, low on energy, or just not confident in your body? What if I told you that getting fit doesn't require expensive gyms, crazy diets, or hours of exhausting workouts? In fact, the biggest mistake beginners make is overcomplicating fitness. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple, science-backed approach to fitness for beginners so you can start your journey the right way, without burnout, confusion, or giving up after a week. Let's get started. Section 1. Understanding fitness, the right mindset. Before you even think about lifting weights or running on a treadmill, you need to understand what fitness really means. Fitness is not just about six-pack abs. It's about strength, endurance, flexibility, mental health, and overall well-being. Most beginners make the mistake of chasing quick results. They want fast weight loss, instant muscle, or dramatic transformations in a few weeks. But real fitness is a long-term lifestyle, not a short-term fix. So your first goal should be simple. Build consistency, not perfection. Even 20 to 30 minutes a day can completely change your life if you stick with it.
Let's talk about the biggest mistakes beginners make, so you can avoid them. X. 1. Doing too much too soon. You feel motivated, so you go all in. 2-hour workouts every day, intense cardio, and then what happens? You burn out, get sore, or even injured. Start slow, progress gradually. X. 2. Skipping warm-ups. Jumping straight into workouts is risky. A proper warm-up prepares your muscles, prevents injuries, improves performance. Even 5 to 10 minutes makes a huge difference. X. 3. Ignoring diet. You cannot out-exercise a bad diet. If your goal is fitness, your nutrition matters just as much as your workouts. X. 4. Comparing yourself to others. Everyone's journey is different. Focus on your progress, not someone else's highlight reel. Run. Section 3. Types of exercise for beginners. Now let's break down the main types of exercises you should include. W. 1. Strength training. This is one of the most important parts of fitness. Benefits: builds muscle, burns fat, boosts metabolism, improves bone health. Beginner-friendly exercises: bodyweight squats, push-ups, lunges, planks. Start with 2 to 3 days per week.
2. Cardio, heart health. Cardio helps burn calories, improve heart health, increase stamina. Examples: walking, jogging, cycling, jump rope. Start with 20-30 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. Yoga, flexibility and mobility. Often ignored but very important. Benefits: prevents injuries, improves posture, reduces muscle stiffness. Try stretching, yoga, mobility drills. Day 6 of 8, Section 4, Simple Weekly Workout Plan. Here's a beginner-friendly weekly plan. Day 1, full body strength. Day 2, cardio, walking, jogging. Day 3, rest or light stretching. Day 4, strength training. Day 5, cardio. Day 6, light activity, walking, yoga. Day 7, rest. Keep it simple. Consistency matters more than intensity. Section 5, Beginner Nutrition Guide. Let's talk about food, because this is where real change happens. So, eat balanced meals. Your plate should include protein, chicken, fish, eggs, beans, carbs, rice, oats, whole grains, healthy fats, nuts, avocado, olive oil. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Hydration improves energy levels, digestion, workout performance.
3. Avoid junk food overload. You don't need to completely cut it out, but limit fast food, sugary drinks, processed snacks. Oh, don't skip meals. Skipping meals slows your metabolism and leads to overeating later. 5-6. How to stay motivated. Sounds fast. Say, I will work out 4 times a week. Focus on habits, not just results. Track your progress. Take photos, measurements, workout logs. Progress is not always visible on the scale. Get Seekly. Find a workout partner. Working out with someone keeps you accountable, makes it more fun. Marquee. Make it enjoyable. Listen to music, podcasts, or watch something while working out. Fitness should feel good, not like punishment. Section 7. Importance of rest and recovery. Many beginners ignore this, but rest is where your body actually grows stronger. Sleep matters. Get at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Sleep helps muscle recovery, hormone balance, energy levels. Rest days are important. Taking rest days prevents injuries, reduces fatigue, improves performance. Section 8. Home workout versus gym. You might be wondering, do you need a gym? The answer is no. Home workout benefits. Free, convenient, no travel time. Gym benefits. More equipment, better environment, professional guidance. Choose what works best for you. The best workout is the one you actually do. Rocket Section 9. Beginner 20-minute workout routine. Here's a simple routine you can start today. Warm up, 5 minutes. Jumping jacks, arm circles, light jogging. Workout, 15 minutes. Squats, 10 reps. Push-ups, 8 reps. Lunges, 10 reps each leg. Plank, 20 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 rounds. Cool down. Stretch your muscles. Breathe deeply. Section 10. Mental health and fitness. Fitness is not just physical. It also improves your mental health. Regular exercise reduces stress, improves mood, boosts confidence. Even a simple walk can clear your mind. Chart. Starting your fitness journey might feel overwhelming, but remember this: you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. One workout, one healthy meal, one step at a time. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this motivation. And remember, your fitness journey starts today. Comment below, started, if you're beginning your fitness journey today.